Uterine stimulants, oxytocics, are the drugs that cause uterine contraction. They include oxytocin, ergot derivatives, and prostaglandins. Oxytocin is a non-peptide hormone synthesized in hypothalamus, stored in neurohypophysis, and released on the action of oxytocin. Pharmacological action on uterus. Oxytocin stimulates the contraction of pregnant uterus. Oxytocin increases both force and frequency of uterine contraction. On action on breast. Oxytocin contracts the myoepithelial cell of breast and causes milk ejection. On CVS. On high doses, it causes vasodilation and transient hypotension. On kidney. Oxytocin on high doses acts like ADH and decrease urine output and sodium and water retention. Preparation and route of administration. Oxytocin is not effective orally. Synthetic oxytocin is commonly used as administered as intravenous infusion. Uses. Oxytocin is used in induction of labor. It is the drug of choice for the induction of labor. It is administered as IV infusion. Oxytocin is preferred for induction of labor because the dose can be adjusted according to the response. It has a short plasma half-life. At low doses, there is a period of complete relaxation between the uterine contraction. It does not interfere with the fetal descent as it does not contract the lower segment. Oxytocin also augments uterine contraction if they are not adequate during labor. In postpartum hemorrhage, oxytocin is used for the prevention, intramuscular or IV infusion, and the treatment of postpartum hemorrhage. Adverse effect. Uterine hyperstimulation. Overdose of oxytocin can cause strong uterine contraction and even rupture of uterus. Prolonged or large doses may cause fetal hypoxia. High doses of oxytocin can cause water intoxication. Ergot derivatives. Ergotamine and the methyl ergotamine are the natural ergot alkaloids. They have similar pharmacological action but are more potent than ergotametrin. Pharmacological action on uterus. They are a stimulant of uterine contraction involving both upper and lower segment. On GIT, in high doses they can increase the peristaltic movement. In CVS, in therapeutic dose they can increase the BP but it is not significant. Pharmacokinetics. These are administered parenterally or orally. They are metabolized in liver and excreted in urine. Therapeutic uses of ergotametrin and methyl ergotametrin. Ergotametrin and methyl ergotametrin are used for the prevention and treatment of postpartum hemorrhage. After caesarean section, methyl ergotametrin is administered to prevent the uterine atony and control bleeding. It is used orally to hasten the involution of uterus when it is delayed. Adverse effect and contraindication. Nausea, vomiting, and rise in blood pressure, especially in the hypertensive patient. They may interfere with lactation. Contraindication include hypertension, peripheral vascular disease, preeclampsia, and eclampsia. Prostaglandins. PGE1 and PGE2 promote the ripening and dilation of cervix, thus facilitate labor. Misoprostol stimulates the uterine contraction and can be used to prevent and treat postpartum hemorrhage. Uterine relaxant, also known as tocolytics, beta-adrenergic agonist. The selective beta-2 agonist used as a uterine relaxant. Although they have less effect on heart at times, they can cause tachycardia and palpitation. Calcium channel blocker. Nifedipine acts by inhibiting the influx of calcium ion into the myometrial cell. It is used orally as tocolytics. Atosiban. It competitively blocks the oxytocin receptor of the uterus and induces uterine relaxation. It is given by IV infusion. Side effects are nausea, vomiting, hypertension, headache, and skin rash. Prostaglandin synthesis inhibitors. NSAIDs like indomethacin produce tocolytic effect by inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis. Magnesium sulfate. Magnesium sulfate is given by IV infusion. It has depressant action on uterine smooth muscle, central nervous system, and myocardium. It is used to prevent convulsion and BP in toxema of pregnancy. Progesterone. It has relaxant effect on the uterus. It inhibits the cytokine production and cervical ripening. Progestin are used in the treatment of threatened abortion. Nitric oxide donors. Nitroglycerin and other nitrates have tocolytic effect, but they may cause maternal hypotension. Use of tocolytics. It is used to delay preterm labor, threatened abortion,